Hello folks, what have I been up to? You can see the top of the engine's missing. The engine seized late last year. It's taken me this long to get this far because I only do a bit at a time. So I want to try and find out what's happening. I've looked in the top. There doesn't seem to be any immediate fault that I can see there, although it could be there. I've got a way to go yet. If I can't rectify it from the top here, I'm going to have to go in from underneath. So that's what's been happening. I'm only going to upload everything when it's complete, so you'll be waiting a while. Go and watch somebody else. Okay, it's off. Sorry I missed that with the video, but it was all a case of lifting at the correct angle. I had my boys help me, I couldn't manage it. And if you ever have to do this stud here, the hole around it on the head's a bit bigger than the rest. That's where you're given leeway into leveraging back and forth. Now, let's see what we got down here. I've used the work light. That looks clean enough. Whatever you see there is just remnants of the gasket. Cylinder 2, or the middle cylinder, is at the top at the moment, but number 3's got some crud down there. I don't know what that is. So just looking here at the top, I can't tell if the motor's seized because of what's happening at the top. I'll investigate further, whatever that means. When I look down that little hole there, this one, I could see water. Probably supposed to be there, I don't know. Right, we're there.